Hey, welcome to the BudgetEase broadcast. I'm Kathy Dise with BudgetEase, and today we're going to talk about the top accounting challenges for small businesses and how to fix them before they turn into a financial disaster. Because we all know the only good financial surprise is a refund check. Let's start with a big one, cash flow whiplash. Money comes in, money goes out, and businesses owners are left wondering, why does this feel like a roller coaster? We help clients analyze their monthly financials for the patterns, and then they can plan for slow seasons and create simple rules of thumb so cash flow feels predictable instead of stressful. This takes at least a calendar year, but several gives you even better data. Then there's PTO tracking gone rogue. PTO sounds simple until it isn't. Some clients struggle with inaccurate numbers, outdated spreadsheets, or time off balances that seem to change by magic. Anyway, by building consistent processes and syncing PTO accurately inside your QuickBooks, we bring back the order. Next up, payroll dips that make no sense. Maybe there's a staffing change, maybe workload shift, maybe the industry slows down. Understanding why payroll changed helps you make smarter decisions, and that's exactly what we walk clients through. A big challenge is losing a client who represents more than a third of your revenue. When that happens, it hits everything: cash flow, staffing, plan. BudgetEase keeps an eye on these concentration risks so you're ready when, not if, something changes. And finally, the never-ending puzzle of complex revenue streams. Hey, maybe you have product sales, small recurring jobs, and big one-off projects all at once. We can customize your QuickBooks for you, categorize everything, your products and your reports, your workflows, so you can clearly see what's coming in, what's going out, and what needs attention today. All of these become manageable and fixable. At BudgetEase, we help small businesses and nonprofits build clarity, confidence, and cleaner financial systems, one organized process at a time. Hey, thanks for joining us for the BudgetEase broadcast. I hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to having you join us at the next one.